Alright guys, so after a week of grinding, after a week of honest, tedious work, I finally took a lot of time to really study the ads aspect of the business. I really went into the psychology of my target audience. I created Excel files, graphs, charts. I've watched hours of videos, so now I really feel confident in these ads. I spent a lot of time, and now it is 11:09 p.m. I'm setting them for tomorrow at midnight or today at midnight. No, yeah, whatever, you get it. So I'm about to press publish and creating ad. Yes, sir. Let's go. I hope you guys love my music, a little background music that calms me while I work. It is published. So, man, hope for the best. I've been putting a lot of work on it throughout the last week. So what I decided to do is tomorrow, let the ads run, let the analytics do its, build and make the ads do its job. And tomorrow finally get kind of organize everything else, edit some YouTube videos, do some homework, read, do a lot of more personal life stuff. Because I have been just, grinding on these, this new product and these ads. So it will feel good a bit to, take a day off of it. Try to get my mind, obviously, I'll keep taking some glances here and there at the metrics, and obviously I'll record. But so far so good. So I'll keep you updated tomorrow. Try to get a good night's sleep, and we'll see. So it has been 2 days since these ads have been running, and you're gonna want to see the results. The results that equal to so much effort. The results that equal to so much work and dedication, and failure after products here, website design here, to ads there. 4 business attempts failed. And where did that bring us? That brought us here. Now, because this is such a special event, I'm gonna bring you to my screen. So guys, these are the metrics. Actually, no, wait, they're not. Let me reload the page. So today we're the second day. It spent around $37 out of 60. So we're a bit more halfway there for today. But let's go check the analytics. Because as I've heard before, men lie, women lie, but numbers don't. So let's go look at the numbers. So this is our beautiful campaign here called the Snug Slippers. We got a total cost of 97 Canadian, which is almost $100. Got a cost per click at 79 cents, which is good. We got a CPM of $9, which is good. 10,500 impressions, it's good. That's not really. 124 clicks, which is good. CTR, which is the click-through rate, 1.17, which is good. And that resulted in how many sales? Drum roll, please. Zero. Yeah. 0 sales. 0 sales. Well, now look, let's go a bit more deeper in. So that's the those are the analytics of the total campaign. But if you go a bit deeper, here are the ad sets. You have the metrics a bit spread out. You see which one kind of performed the best. You have, kind of a competition between women's clothing and women's socks that performed pretty good. But again, 0 conversions. If you want to check the ads itself, it looks like video 1 has done all the work. It's always like that. I honestly actually have no idea how it's always like that. It's one video only. I have 3. Like, why do I even fucking post 3? I'm joking. You don't know, right? But I find it weird how video 1 did so well. Yeah, that's the classic hook. What was video? Yeah, I'm just silently looking at the shame. The absolute shame. We're getting a little older crowd over here. That is odd. Now, I just get a bit annoyed that even if I get 1 sale, which I will be ecstatic, is it worth expanding? These metrics are good. But you see, I don't think you'll watch a YouTube video ever on this platform where the YouTuber is making a video and saying he's absolutely lost, because I am. I don't know. The ad metrics, to what I am aware of, you see, I'm not the best at studying ads, but I think the ad metrics are actually not bad. Like, they're actually pretty good. They're actually really good. Our website, again, is not an issue. And I don't think our product is the issue, because I see other people doing the same product getting millions of views on TikTok. This product was posted in my course saying it's a winning product. So what's wrong? I don't know. Like I said, you will never get a YouTube video where you are watching the video and the YouTuber is just, I don't know. History is being made. I can't tell you. Now, I don't know if there's another ending to this video or this will be it. I think this will be it because it's going to be a long video. So this in YouTube history will be the first time you see someone being absolutely fucking lost, not giving any advice, and yet again showing another failure. I hope, though, if you're watching, I hope you're having a good day. Yeah. Have a good day.